What I'm trying to do here is replicate what I think is fairly common for a backyard fire. When we lit the fire, almost immediately the air monitor started beeping, and it eventually maxed out our air monitor. It was reaching levels that, if they continued through the day, would have been similar to what we experienced during the wildfire smoke events of September 2020. Wood smoke, believe it or not, is one of the biggest contributors to air pollution in our region and to health impacts from that air pollution. The pollution that we're worried about from wood smoke is fine particle pollution. So it results in health impacts that are wide-ranging, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and even adverse birth outcomes for pregnant folks. What we have in Multnomah County is about 1 in 10 adults reports asthma, which means chances are there's someone on your block who could be really affected by just one backyard fire. Protecting air quality now means protecting health now, making sure our families and our neighbors aren't overly burdened going into a season where we might have severe wildfire smoke impacts.